Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone is unlocked and updated, and you have the Wi-Fi name and password available because you may need to generate or verify the QR. Next, open the camera app. This is the fastest built-in scanner. Aim the lens at the QR code clearly, make sure lighting is even, and steady the phone. Once the camera detects the code, you'll see a Wi-Fi join notification. Tap it to proceed, and let iOS handle the connection automatically. If you don't already have a QR, you generate one by entering SSID, password, and encryption type into a trusted QR generator. This creates the Wi-Fi payload iOS understands. Once the code exists, scan it using the camera or the Control Center QR scanner if preferred. You'll see a join banner with the network name and a prompt. Tap to join. Make sure the QR encodes the right security type, WPA2 versus open, because mismatches prevent automatic connection and require manual entry. Once you tap the join banner, wait for iOS to authenticate and assign an IP address, then confirm under Settings Wi-Fi that you're connected. If nothing happens, make sure camera has permission, restart the camera app, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and try scanning again. If the phone still won't auto-connect, manually add the network by entering SSID and password in Wi-Fi settings. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the QR's encryption type matches the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.